Hello friends, this is Sauvagya and you are watching Art and Click. In this video, we will make a Padmasana pose in DAS 3D, and I need this pose to make an illustration. It can be done easily with symmetry, but how to get a reference image? We can get front or back, sideline, some images from Google image search, but if I want a 3D, I want to view it from all angles, then it's not that easy. So let me first do it with hand, and so I am keeping it 75. This side minus 75, and I have to fold it. One 45, 155, then again keep it 155, '67. This is 74. This is 75. Let us keep it 75. One 55, 155, 30.68. Here it is changed. I kept it minus 35, and this side 35 or minus 35. Yes, now it is at symmetry, and minus 35, 85, 75, minus 35, 85, 75, both are same. Now this angle, it should be 0, 0, 0. Now this is at absolute symmetry, and now I need to rotate both, twist, minus 90. Yes, this side minus 90. Yes, and I think it should, let me put it down. Now I need to bring it to bit here. Need to do it carefully. Then I can go to parameters, and where does it fit, and pull it slowly, slowly. So even in 3D doing a Padmasana is not that easy. let me put it side by side. And this angle like this. So 100 minus 102 minus 102 minus 47 minus 64 looks good. So we need to remember these figures: minus 102 minus 47 minus 64 minus 102 minus 47 64. What did happen? Minus 102 minus 47 minus 64 to minus 47. What happened? Minus 47. Let's keep it plus 47. Yes, much convincing look. Then what was this? 64, 75. Shall we keep it 64? Not necessarily, because there will be one leg on the upper side and another leg on the lower side. I think we don't need to change it, and so just we need to verify it from the top. Well, we have decided to keep this leg at bottom and this, so at top this leg should be divisible at the top, this leg, and this at the bottom. So let me push it here. Quite convincing. This needs a bend. And this, and similarly this needs a bend. No, I just need a bend. I think I need to rotate it, but it needs to be done very carefully. This little bit, no. Now we need to work from the side. And let us see what much convincing. So it has come quite well, and let me put the hand here. So there is no change of angle, but there is change of angle here, 0.5, 0.5. Let's put a 0, minus 12. Well, here we got so little bit here. Or I'm using, let me put this symmetry, that looks quite convincing. So it is minus 3.78. Can we keep it minus 3.75? I'm not sure. Yes, it's taken 3.25, 10.81 minus 10. So 3.75 minus 3.75, 3.25, 10. Keep the same. 3.75 minus 3.25 and 10. Now just let us put like this, and now check, let's check again. Well, it really doesn't matter if we achieve the desired result. Just it needs to be, I just need to rotate it. So it's done. It's done and it's so beautiful. This leg, can we just lift it a little, and this little twist. Well, I think and can we put it like this? Yes, this looks quite convincing. So that's it, and then you just save it, save this PC here and name it Padmasana. Save it. Oh, I thought it is desktop. Save it. That's it. I will keep this -3d file .DSON in my Google Drive, and I will share the link. You can download it from there. Well, there is little bit retouch required here. Just move a little. No, just lift it up little, and from the side lift it up a little. Yes, it's done, and little more, yes. So it's done, and quite convincing result, and herewith I am closing this tutorial. I'll put this video in download. If you like the content of this channel, please consider subscribing. If you want any other pose for me to do, then I am willing to do. So thank you for watching. If you like the content of this channel, please subscribe. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.